Have you ever wondered why some people lose weight faster while others struggle? Even when they're eating less, the secret often starts with breakfast. A healthy breakfast can help control hunger, keep your energy levels steady, and make it easier to avoid unhealthy snacks later in the day. In today's video, we'll explore the 10 best breakfast foods that can support healthy weight loss. These foods are rich in protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that help keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Remember, no single food can magically burn fat, but choosing nutritious breakfasts can make it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle and support your weight loss goals. So, let's get started. Number 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts you can choose. It's packed with soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps keep you feeling full for longer and supports healthy digestion. Eating oatmeal in the morning may help reduce unnecessary snacking later in the day. For even more nutrition, top your oats with fresh berries, chia seeds, cinnamon, or a handful of almonds. Try to avoid flavored instant oatmeal because it often contains added sugars that can increase calorie intake. Number 9. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein helps increase fullness and supports muscle maintenance while losing weight. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh fruit, walnuts, or flax seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats. This combination creates a balanced breakfast that keeps your energy levels stable throughout the morning. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutritious breakfast foods available. They contain high-quality protein, along with essential vitamins and minerals. Starting your day with eggs may help you stay satisfied longer and reduce hunger later in the day. Enjoy boiled eggs, scrambled eggs with vegetables, or a healthy omelette served with whole grain toast for a complete breakfast. Number 7. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, plant protein, and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. When soaked in milk or yogurt, chia seeds absorb liquid and expand, creating a filling breakfast that helps control appetite. You can prepare chia pudding the night before and top it with fresh berries or sliced banana for a quick and delicious morning meal. Number 6. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are naturally low in calories while being rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Their natural sweetness can satisfy sugar cravings without adding large amounts of sugar to your diet. Add berries to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for extra flavor, color, and nutrition. Number 5. Avocado toast. Avocados provide healthy, monounsaturated fats and fiber that help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and add sliced tomatoes, black pepper, or a boiled egg for extra protein. This simple breakfast is delicious, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Number 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in protein while being relatively low in calories. It's a great breakfast choice for people who want to stay full without eating a heavy meal. Pair cottage cheese with fresh fruit for natural sweetness, or enjoy it with cucumber and tomatoes for a savory option. Number 3. Apple with peanut butter. Apples provide fiber while natural peanut butter offers healthy fats and a small amount of protein. Together, they create a balanced breakfast or snack that helps control hunger. Choose peanut butter without added sugar or hydrogenated oils, since peanut butter is calorie-dense. Enjoy it in moderate portions. Number 2. Green smoothie. A homemade green smoothie is a simple way to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Blend spinach, kale, banana, berries, Greek yogurt, and unsweetened almond milk for a refreshing breakfast. You can also add chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats. This smoothie provides vitamins, minerals, and protein to help fuel your morning. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is a refreshing drink rich in antioxidants that can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Enjoy it without added sugar as part of a balanced breakfast. While green tea alone won't cause weight loss, it can be a healthy alternative to sugary drinks when combined with nutritious eating habits and regular physical activity. Before we finish, here are 3 simple breakfast habits that can make a big difference. Always include a source of protein in your breakfast. Choose fiber-rich foods like oats, fruits, and whole grains. Limit sugary cereals. pastries, and sweet drinks that may leave you feeling hungry again soon. Staying hydrated and eating mindfully are also important parts of a healthy routine. Healthy weight loss isn't about skipping breakfast. It's about making smart food choices every morning. By adding these nutritious breakfast foods to your routine, you can stay full longer, maintain steady energy, and build healthy habits that support your long-term goals. Which of these breakfast foods is your favorite? Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-based nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.